Lighting, audio, and special effects are essential components of theme park parade experiences. Along the parade route, lighting and audio have to be synced both on and off float as the vehicle makes its journey. One of the challenges faced is that of ensuring correct timing and changeover of lighting and audio based on the position of floats along the parade route. Medialon Showmaster Go, our compact show control and audio playback solution, has been designed for parade floats. Using GPS to track the float's location along the parade route and for synchronization with the other floats and wayside systems, it seamlessly handles all audio, lighting, and special effects outputs to make sure everything plays or changes over exactly when it needs to. As the float moves through the parade route, the onboard audio plays back in sync with the offboard audio, and the Showmaster Go sends the float's GPS location back to the parade's central show controller so it can route the correct float's audio to the parade route zone the float is in. Since the only moving part is a small cooling fan, the shock and vibrations you'd expect on a parade float are no sweat for Showmaster Go. With the optional shock mount, you can even throw rougher conditions at it. Running Medialon Manager Show Control software, this little box is a master of audio and video playback, lighting, animatronics, special effects triggering, interfacing with PLCs and ride controllers, and synchronizing to multiple time sources.